Kankakee County Police Department has issued a hostile entity in your area. Please listen to this following message in order not to die, and because we said so. Earlier this afternoon, an entity had escaped the heavily guarded island known as Little St. James. Most secured place apparently. The entity is currently wandering around our county. We don't know though where it is. We have also asked the SCP Foundation for some assistance as we need them, or else we are all going to die because we are all in an analog horror. Anyways, we have just received reports about its description. But before we do that, we would like to address the Subway Surfers gameplay on the top right corner. We have added it in order for the brainrot kids to pay attention to this totally and absolutely serious emergency broadcast. Anyways, just a little warning, the entity is very scary and might eat you. Final warning, it's scary. Here it is. It's a disgusting looking blob creature with 4 tentacles sticking out of it, a large head and mouth with a long snake-like tongue and strange large eyes. We do not even know how on earth did this thing escape and swim away from that island. Crazy, right? Please call our useless department or the SCP Foundation if the entity is chasing you. Alright. This is all for now, folks. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.